Dry spots. So dry. Dry spots everywhere. What do we do about dry spots? Hey everybody, welcome back. This is what we are going to do about localized dry spots. Now, I did that wetting agent video earlier in the year. You all really should watch it because it's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. But I don't have my Pellet Pro applicator with me right now. It's actually being borrowed for experiments by the grass factor, and I'm gonna be getting it back soon, but I needed to deal with this back here. Super localized dry spots, not dirt spots, dry spots. I've never had that issue over there. It's actually always been kind of in this area, but it hasn't been this year. So what am I doing with this? Well, instead of using the Pellet Pro applicator, I am breaking out Squirt Life. My RLD Industries SL 3.3, serial number 7-1-2.001. I'm gonna put a parts breakdown of this on my website. I'll have a link to it down below in the description to where you can go and see all the parts you need to do to build one of these. I did not buy this. The frame is a Let's Go frame. It's a tank from Rural King. Brett Suck stole it from me and bought one pre-made and then just kind of put it on a Let's Go frame, which is okay because I said he could do that, but mine's a little bit more advanced than that. I did all the fancy Apple-esque plumbing to where it looks really good, but it's an absolute pain in the butt to work on, so don't ever do that. So we're mixing that up. We're using that. In this bucket right here, I have about a quarter to a third, somewhere in between there, of a tournament ready pellet that I scooped out, dissolved in hot water, and then I added, let's rotate these marks. The water level was at 96 ounces, or just slightly above 96 ounces. And then I took it to 128 ounces, and that's all RGS there. And that gave it that nice dark walnut color that everyone loves. Yeah, 32 ounces of RGS going over 3,000 square feet, 3,200 square feet, somewhere, whatever this is back here. So that's what I'm doing with that. I want to focus on just all this right here. As you can see also though, things are filling in nicely. So let's get going on this here. We're gonna fill this guy up and start squirting. And let's turn things on. Yeah, that's closed. Okay, so I can't use these nozzles here. These are too fine of a droplet for what I'm wanting to do. This is all, you know, wetting agents, things like that. So I need a larger droplet that can, you know, get down into the soil surface. I don't need a fine droplet for the resting on any leaf tissues for like fertilizers and whatnots. So we're gonna take these guys off. These are just some like AI, I don't know. They're the brown ones. They're just some XRC, but yeah, they shoot out more water. Got some air induction ones here though. It's going to give me some good old betterness. These are actually 2 pieces, and you buy these little quick connect adapter things. Super worth it. Waving it back and forth, Connor. Ooh. There we have it. I just dropped down a lot of RGS, a lot of tournament ready with some Actisol. It actually wasn't a whole lot. It was about 1/4 of a little jar of pellets, which I want to say it's like an 11-ounce jar, so like 3 ounces. Yeah, we'll go with that. So like 3 ounces of tournament ready. I've never done this before. We'll see how it comes in the days ahead. However, one thing I've noticed with the tournament ready pellets that have the Actisol, which the Actisol is simply humic acid, fulvic acid, just kind of combined in with the other goodness of tournament ready, is it gives a green up. I hope you all can see it on camera because it is absolutely astounding in person. It baffles me. I was like, wow, why is that so green from that? It has to be from the humics, so that's what we have. We'll see how it goes in a few days, but so far it is looking really, really good. And frankly, this may be a way to where you can just buy these pellets for like 11 or 12 bucks a pop, you know, and save yourself from needing a pellet gun. I think I'm gonna go with that right now, but the decision's still out. But right now, pre-results, I'm saying save the money, don't buy the pellet gun, just buy them and dissolve them.